Yes, Stephanie and Tim. So people we spoke with say that they are frustrated with the sort of confusion surrounding vaccine policy at the moment. Some are even worried because they haven't been able to get a shot.
We're at the age where we're allowed to get these shots, and we're having trouble getting them.
William and Karen Thomas live in Portland and are both over 65. But when they went to get their COVID-19 boosters, they hit roadblock after roadblock and say they still don't have them.
We go and get our booster whenever it's time, and so we were ready to go get our booster and, our flu shot, and then get that over with and be done. And instead, we wasted our time going down there, and I've been just checking around ever since, and it's all very confusing.
Last month, the federal government announced the updated COVID-19 vaccines are now approved for people 65 and older, as well as kids and adults with at least one pre-existing condition that puts them at risk for severe illness. But even though the FDA cleared the vaccine, the CDC's Advisory Committee for Immunization Practices still hasn't issued its recommendation. State policy forbids pharmacists from giving out the vaccine to anyone without a prescription until that committee issues its recommendation. But we've heard from multiple people that doctors have been hesitant to issue prescriptions.
They said that they were having to deal with the authorities on that. They couldn't give us a prescription.
The committee is expected to meet next week, months later than in previous years, which Brooklyn Pharmacy owner Pat Hubble says has created an unnecessary burden.
It is unfortunate that they were unable to release these recommendations before the season got started. This does create a lot of confusion. It does create a lot of chaos within the healthcare community and our patient community. So it's really unfortunate. This probably could have been avoided.
And they said, well, we don't have clear protocol yet. We're not sure what to do.
Dwayne Medley also encountered an initial roadblock with his physician trying to get a prescription, but he eventually was told he could.
Whatever it takes to make the process easier, it should be done.
Now, the Washington Department of Health signed a standing order into effect last week, allowing anyone in the state 6 months or older to get a vaccine without a prescription.
Interesting. Jake, is that something Oregon is considering as well? Do we know?
Yeah, Stephanie, it is. It hasn't happened, but a spokesperson for Governor Kotek's office tells me it is something that their office is exploring.
All right, Jake Holter reporting for us there. Thank you so much.